Heart health. Hazelnuts are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, especially oleic acid. These fats can support heart health and regulate cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Antioxidants. Hazelnuts are a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals and can reduce cellular damage. Brain health. Hazelnuts contain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These compounds can support brain function, enhance memory, and improve cognitive function. Digestive health. Hazelnuts are high in fiber. Fiber can regulate the digestive system, support the digestion process, and reduce the risk of constipation. Weight management. Hazelnuts can be a satisfying snack. Their protein and fiber content can increase satiety, aiding in weight management. Skin health. Hazelnuts contain vitamins and minerals important for skin health, particularly vitamin E. Vitamin E can protect skin cells and promote skin health. Diabetes management. Hazelnuts may help balance blood sugar levels. Their protein and healthy fats can help keep blood sugar levels stable. However, individuals with hazelnut allergies should be cautious. Additionally, like any food, excessive consumption of hazelnuts can have negative effects. A balanced and varied diet is always best.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.